Hello, it's Misha Sophie Day. Hi, I'm Sophie Day, agus ha mé furach sa Nicholas Freck. I've always enjoyed Gaelic music, but thought it was a shame that I couldn't understand what was being sung. So when I found out Gaelic was being offered as part of my primary education degree at university, I jumped at the chance to learn. Ha bé rui ach léim. I have a huge collection of plants. I really love looking after them. It gives me a sense of responsibility. They are so important to the planet. Agus haid chobria. As I love plants so much, I keep a foraging journal. My granny used to point out and name different plants when we were together. It encouraged me to identify and document different species. There's so many varieties, and they're also distinctive in their own way. So these are nettles, or fiantigan. Some people like them in their soup, and some people like them in their tea. When I've got a lot going on, I like to go outside to clear my head. Still my bhí an mwy. Hai a cwrs room, a bhí a fichain rwy Gaelic a hwyr na rwydyn a cha Michael Orum.